Hello, listeners. Hi, my name is Madhavi, and I'm so happy to have you on UppTalk. You have come to the right place if you want to learn about IT and do really cool things with your hands. We are not just another IT company when I say UppTalk. Think of us as your learning partner dedicated to helping you reach your full potential. We have top notch hands on courses to help you build your business, whether you're new to technology or want to move up in your current job. Let's look around this as our first step towards learning.
Now let me just open any of these business object that we have over here. Let me open name or let me open worker business object. Worker is just for all your information, all of you. The information is like worker business object is one of the primary business object which we use for multiple reporting purposes. And any employee relevant information is always going to be available as a part of the worker BVO. That is why any employee or worker related report that you are going to be building, you need to build that particular report on the worker business object because it is going to contain a whole host of information. Everything that you need about a worker is going to be available in the worker business object. Please do make a note of it that in your reporting session, you are going to be using it. Let's just wait for this to load. Like I said, text is going to be any field which is going to contain text related information, be it alpha or numeric. It can contain both alpha as well as numeric. That's why we call it as a text field type. Next, a numeric. As you all might know, numeric is going to contain only number information. It can contain only numeric values. It cannot contain alphabets. It can contain only number information. For example, your age is an example for a numeric field. And then next we saw all about date. Next is going to be Boolean. Boolean is a special type of field which is available and it can have only two values. It can have only two values which is going to be either true or false. Or we can call it also as a binary variable which means it can have only two values. One is going to be true or another is going to be false. An example is if I'm going to create a new field which is going to say is the person over 18 years of age, which is the legal permitted age for working. I'm going to create a field which is going to say is the person above the legal age to work or not. And the answer could be obviously only yes or no. It can only be either yes or no. That's all it can be. That's what we call that particular field type as a Boolean field. Alright, clear thus far? These are primitive variables which you might have experienced in any programming language if you have come across that. Alright, like I said over here in the worker business object, if I come across the field type, an example, a number of hires, I will have it as numeric and I can have many other fields by currency like year. Like I said, the salary is always your currency field. And today, if you want to go as an activity, you can explore the business object worker business object. And you can find all the different field types as well. Let's go ahead and see if I can find all the different fields. Let's go ahead and see if I can find all the different fields. Let's go ahead and see if I can find all the different fields. Now let me pull in a single instance field. For a single. Let me pick something which is going to be precise for a single instance field. Position date. Have it. I don't know this. Alright. This seems to be precise. Alright. Let me open the supervisory organization itself. Now I'm just picking. I'm going to be explaining next about a single instance field. For that, what I'm taking is assignable role as a sample one over here. And for that, Let me open a random support opening alien, the test supervisory organization that I created. I go across and over here, if you see in thing, we call it as an assignment, an instance, which is going to be a combination of assignable role, whom it is assigned to, and the role from information. We call it as in, ins of the supervisory or is going to be assignable role is manif. It is assigned to Cal and Jamie Stone, and it is assigned from default position and def and not from any kind of inheritance or something. All right, we call it as an instance, instance, any kind of combination. Uh, we have taken an assignable instance and we call it sync inst because this is going to sync combination with supervisory organization, which test area app all it means T1 1 X that I can just put it over here. L might be a little bit confusing. All right, if I take a background check, we are going to a background check which is completed before a hire process before a hire from employed requirements going to contain going background check initiate employed so comment organization what background check vend sterling of vend with avail mark commonly particular def fit which called background at recent background check word rec- background business process co background check inst with recent with complete particular what read as a check initiate person particular background field read multi well in read sync with recent particular instant because couldn't particular with diff instant instant read collection and background check, content, information, related, reason, background, good, background, when, person, with, background, chit, initial, exam, join, organization, background, check, initial, company, Google, Facebook, content, particular, inst, organization, good, failed, good, information, information, with, supplied, what, insufficient, available, instant, not, collection, instant, would, relative, specific, ins, with, and met, single, instant, ins, nothing, whatever, deal, specific, instant, instant, that's, instant, it, difference, primary, position, location, 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 primary, position, location, talking, map, location, particular, position, send, cook, primary, low, cook, alter, location, low, remain, go, New York, Frisco, London, whatever, location, over, multiple, location, location, primary, position, ins, read, location, primary, additional, position, including, act, inat, location, location, more, instance, field, try, the particular, multiple, branching, more, instant, will, load, pack, position, locate, no, single, instance, where, go, there, or branching, that, specific, single, instant, action. Distinction between location, L, instant, where primary positions, location, sync, instant, feed, one, instant, repeated, biz, ob, inst, good, business, ob, another, business, object, word, location, which, business, object, instant, right, work, business, int, what, specific, which, which, inst, res, inst, word, which, relative, information, whose, supervise, which, department. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@therightuptalk.com.